kids, I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna learn about describing people. ሰዎችን እንዴት እንደምንገልጽ. Okay, ready? Let's go. First thing, she is friendly ካልኩኝ እሷ ተግባቢ ናት እያልኩኝ ነው ማለት ነው. She is friendly. ለወንድም ቢሆን we can say that. So he is friendly እንላለን ማለት ነው. So repeat after me. She is friendly. Great job. We can also say he is friendly. Great job. Okay. Another thing. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. ካልን እሷ ቆንጆ ነች እያልን ነው. So she is beautiful. Repeat after me. She is beautiful. Great job. Okay. ለወንድ ደግሞ ቀየር እናደርገዋለን. It's not going to be beautiful. እንቀይረዋለን. So እንደሚሆነው handsome. He is handsome. ካልን እሱ ቆንጆ ነው እያልን ነው. He is handsome. Okay? Repeat after me. He is handsome. Great job. Okay. Okay, good. All right. She is short. ካልን ደግሞ እሷ አጭር ነች. She's short. እሷ አጭር ነች እያልኩኝ ነው. So repeat after me. She's short. Great job. Okay. አሁን ደግሞ ለወንድ ደግሞ ረጅም ነው ብንል he is tall. He is tall እንላለን ማለት ነው. So repeat after me. He is tall. Great job. አሁን ደግሞ challenge time. እኔ በአማርኛ እናንተ ወደ እንግሊዝኛ ትቀይራላችሁ ማለት ነው. Okay? Ready? Let's go. Okay. ረጅም ነው ካልን እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Great job. He is tall. He is tall እንላለን. እሺ እሷ ደግሞ አጭር ነች ካልን እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Nicely done. So she is short. She is short እንላለን. እሺ እሱ ቆንጆ ነው ካልን እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Nice. He is handsome. He is handsome እንላለን. Okay. እሷ ቆንጆ ነች ካልን ደግሞ እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Okay, nicely done. So she is beautiful. She is beautiful እንላለን ማለት ነው. Okay? So that's all we have for today, kids. Remember, beautiful, handsome, short, tall. Okay? These are the words. Gotta remember. Okay? All right, so that's all we have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.